Hey y'all, it's Tyler. I got a quick test here for you. When you're checking coolant, looking for coolant leaks or any sort of system pressure checking you want to do, having the right tool helps. So here's what I've got. You don't quite need this big of a kit for just a pressure test, but I'm going to show you what I've got. One thing I wanted to throw in here, a little note from the editor. I know I shaved since during this editing process. I thought it was fall, but here we are at 90 degrees, so too hot for that. Anyway, wanted to point out that this kit is a big kit. You don't need one this elaborate. This is for vacuum filling and other things. You can find those pressure testers various places for 30-40 bucks, just depends on what you want to do. Of course, you know, you can say you can get Mac, Snap-on, Matco, Hornwell, whatever. There's different makers for all kinds of different things. If you're wanting to do a basic pressure test on this thing, you don't need to go crazy. My experience, precision does matter. But for something like this, you can start out with a cheap kit. If you're not happy, upgrade, sell it at a yard sale. You really haven't lost nothing. You spend 40 bucks, that's 40 bucks. If you spend $300, yeah, it's going to work, but you're going to be crying about it later because you don't use it enough. So if you're at home, you just want to check your stuff, see what's going on, read your reviews and see how well things are made, and then you'll make the best decision. All right, get back at it. I've got this master cooling system here. It's a vacuum fill tool. It also comes with a pumper and a gauge. So what you're going to do over here is identify the cap you've got. Make sure the engine's cool. We're going to go ahead and take this off. Match it up with whatever one we need. So for this one, it's this guy right here. Go ahead and put that in place. Okay, all the way on in there. And we're going to pump this system up to what the cap is rated for. So we've got 0.9. That's going to be bar. So here's our little pump system here with the gauge, quick disconnect and a pressure relief. Go ahead and put it on here. So we're going to pump this up until we're at 0.9 bar, which is, you got 0.5 here, it's 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. It's this last little black tick here. Okay, so once you got her sit here at 0.9 bar to match the cap, just going to set this dude to the side here. Now is the time. You're going to watch this gauge here. Make sure we don't have any initial drop right out of the gate. Make sure you don't have any bad connections, things like that. If we don't, it's holding pretty good. So now you can take this time. You can walk around, look at all your different hose ends, check around your fittings, get your flashlight out, listen for any hissing, or maybe if you've got some drips around here you want to verify. You'll find out pretty quick because you'll have a loss of pressure and you'll know that coolant is going somewhere. Hope that helped y'all out. Manufacturer to manufacturer, they're going to tell you different things as far as different procedures, so just follow that accordingly. But for this simple test, we're applying pressure to a sealed system and waiting for the outcome. There's not a, I didn't find an exact chart of, you know, what's an acceptable amount of loss over a certain amount of time. I would say 0. If you got a drop in pressure, you got a leak somewhere. That's how you do a quick coolant pressure test. So hopefully that's helpful. If you haven't done it before, at least you know what to do. It's a good way to stay on top of your machine and see if you've got leaks before you have a problem. God bless. See you on the next one. I'm pretty sure this is the kit I have. I couldn't find it in my order history for some reason, so I don't know, whatever. But yeah, it's about 60 bucks, and this does the vacuum fill, pressure check. It's got temp gauge and everything else, and it's been pretty good to me, but you can find them other places, Harbor Freight and other stores, so that's it.